justifying your document or your text, that is making your text to appear in order. When you look at these margins, you can see they are scattered, they are not alright. Just let's take for example, you could see the margins from here to here, all of it, they are arranged in order. So let's apply it in the other document. So you highlight first. Remember, if you need to apply it to all, you can just say highlight all. You say Control A, you hold your Control key and press A. Now you go to the home menu, you press justify, or you just say Control J, you click. You could see it's now ordered. Your work is now ordered and presentable. So that is all about justify. Always remember to do that in every document to make your formatting appear neat and good.